Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at MECARD DELUXE. So yeah, this MECARD DELUXE in Japan is called Turning MECARD, and these little creatures are called MECARDimals. Yeah. So if you're wondering what's the difference in Korea, this is actually made from Korea, a Korean-made show, Korean-made toys. If you buy on Amazon the Korean ones, it's obviously going to have the thing in Korean for the name, but it's still going to have the little symbol over here for that little M. Oh, there they call it a Turning MECARD. So Turning MECARDs, and on Amazon you see this also other ones that say W Turning MECARD, which I guess is supposed to be like the evolved thing, like maybe season 2 or something. You could catch the episodes here on YouTube. There was one YouTube that had them, a pretty good amount. Of course, they're all in Korean and sometimes, but now you could get to watch them here on YouTube in perfect English, dub. The other one was just English sub. So yeah. So if you didn't know, let me find one. Oh, here. Let's say let the packaging between the two. Actually, let me bring the camera back. There we go. So this is the packaging that a MECARDimal or MECARD comes in, versus a Screecher's Wild one. Yeah. But here's the thing over here. These are level 1, which is roughly around the same size as these. About $6 for level 1 Screecher's Wild. Now these say deluxe on the package, but they're actually, a basic level 1. $15 price difference. So if you're saying level 1, which, they don't go by levels in MECARD, they go by deluxe and jumbo. A deluxe one, which is, a basic card, $15. Ridiculous amount of money. While you can buy the same type of card for a Screecher's Wild that's a level 1 for about $6. Yeah. Now in Screecher's Wild, if you bought their level 2 cards, which are more like a truck, those go for like about $15. Which, yeah, I guess those would be better. If you buy a MECARDimal jumbo one, which is like their deluxe one, which in their reality would be like their deluxe model, you're talking between like $25 and $30. Yeah. So if you didn't know, MECARD actually went after Screecher's Wild and tried suing Screecher's Wild. There was a whole bit thing. I guess the case got thrown out because at the time, if the even did go to court, just would let us be like, okay, they're two different shows. But now Screecher's Wild, they're set the alternative version of the show that you can catch here on YouTube. If MECARDimal wanted to go and sue them, they would actually have more case now than what they did in their first attempt to suing them. So both shows, Screecher's Wild and MECARDimal, they're pretty much the exact same thing. You have little car type vehicles that can move on their own. They could have like an AI sensitive computer program thing in there, where they could talk to other vehicles, from their own show. Wow. And they can partner up with their, characters, the little kids, like for example this one, which is not actually the owner of this car, MECARDimal. So I don't know why they just put, hey, let's put our protagonist, one or three protagonists on the bots of every bots. I think it would be better if this was like, oh yeah, Sarah, or Emma, I forgot what her name is. To be honest with you, I don't really watch MECARDimal. I'm kind of into Screecher's Wild, the such an alternative version of the show. I'm trying to finish that up, and then, yikes, I got a lot of binge watching to watch on this one, because they're like at 56 or some big number like that. But yeah. But it would have been nice if we could actually get the right character to match the actual MECARDimal. Yeah, that would have been great. here they're made by Mattel. Now, I don't know who came out with it first. Was it SirToys.com? Or was it actually made by Mattel in Korea? But one of them came out with it first. I know on Squishers Wild, SirToys.com definitely came out with their Squishers Wild first. I think it was... I always keep forgetting what the first part is. Crash, Fly Car, or something like that. And then... yeah, SirToys came out with it, and then like 2 years later, Alpha came out and made Squishers Wild. Now, MECARD, I believe it was Card Cars. That's what they called it. Card Cars. On SirToys.com. If you don't know what SirToys.com is, they're kind of like a third-party toy website. So if you buy any toys from them, they're going to come like a brown cardboard box, brown paper envelope. Just sometimes even just wrapped in bubble wrap with a shipping layer slapped on there, you know. It's not going to come in a box like this, or it's not going to come in like a box like this if you bought like the Korean version of the toy. It's going to come loose, and there's no instructions with any of their toys at SirToys.com, so you're going to have to kind of figure it out and hope that some other YouTuber figure it out. Oh yeah, then the cards in both series, when they go over their little activation thing, they transform into creatures. So this one, this little pearl white car, is named MiRiNAE. MiRiNAE! Now, some people actually got the mistake doing it, and they're like, they just let the picture here. I don't know if they watched the show or if they know anything about, you know, ponies and stuff. The best thing that I'll tell them to do is go check out a couple episodes of My Little Pony to kind of learn the different things. They keep calling this an alicorn because they're like, oh, dude, it's a horse and it's got a horn. It's an alicorn. Yeah, but it also has the wings. So this, my friends, is not a unicorn. This is a alicorn. Now you're going to say, Mr. Broadian, what's the difference between a unicorn and an alicorn? A lot, okay? A unicorn usually doesn't have any wings, they just have a horn. Henceforth, unicorn. A Pegasus will have no horn and wings. So what happens if you combine a Pegasus with a unicorn? You merge them together, and voila, you get a horse, or My Little Ponies, a pony, with wings and a horn. Also known as an alicorn. Alicorn, that's an alicorn, not a unicorn. Hopefully you just learned something. So the next person that, you know, grabs this and does a review won't get mistakes and get hate comments saying, dude, you know that's not a unicorn, that's an alicorn. My best thing, go check out a couple of episodes of My Little Pony and you know the difference between that's a water pony, it has nothing. That's a Pegasus, it has wings. That's a unicorn because it has a horn. Oh, what's that one? It has wings and a horn? That, my friends, is called an alicorn. Yeah. And the way how you play this, it's just ridiculous and stupid. So, but it's also kind of simple. So, roll card, over card, card activates, pop up. Let me see if I can get this camera to focus here. Card activates, pop up, transformation, battle with a friend. Which faction are you? Collectible poster inside, www.mechs.com. I'll put the link to all the websites. To the Amazon where you can get the Korean ones, to SirToys where you can get their ones, and to, you know, this actual website here. So yeah, let's open up and see what we get for our cards and our faction here. Actually, these ones are a little bit harder to open up. I think Squishers Wild was a lot easier trying to get them out of the package. Yeah, definitely easier to get Squishes Wild out of the package than a MECARD remote. And a lot cheaper price range. So there's also another difference between MECARD and the Squishes Wild. Squishes Wild, when you get them in the package, they come in vehicle mode, while MECARD mode, they come already transformed in creature mode. Now MECARD mode, there's 3 different factions. There's the red, the blue, and the black. Okay? And we'll get a little bit more into what the cards do and stuff. So they're kind of like Bakugan in a way. So let's peel this off and see who this one belongs to. And it is the red faction, so it belongs to red. So the good and bad thing about this is, you could buy a ton of these miRiNAE. You could buy a ton of these miRiNAE little alicorn cars, but until you peel that, open them out of the box and peel that sticker off, you don't know what faction they're going to belong to. Are they going to be the red one, the blue, or the black? This one just happens to be a red one. I mean, looking at it, it's pretty good in detail. I'll say it's a little bit better detailed than a level 1 and even some level 2 Squishy Wild cars in creature mode. So first we gotta transform this, so flip the head back.